Hey, welcome back to Lamb Chop Builds. How's everyone doing today? Quick little stash ad video I'm going to have today. Picked up a couple of swap meet last month and haven't got around to making a video yet, so we'll cover those and go from there. Let's get to it. All right. I don't know why I hadn't got around to making my video yet, but we'll get to them now. First one, I picked up three of them. We got the 32 sedan delivery, I think is what it is. It's not started. It seemed like a good little kit though. It'll be fun to do when I get around to it. Who knows how long that'll be. Picked up a sprint car. With the decals. It looks like one decal had been cut out of it. Like the foil on the numbers. I built one years ago. Not one of this one, but a Kinzer maybe. Quaker State car. Got something on this, some of this chrome. We must have spilled something on here. Something at one time or another. Something different. Something different to do one day. Might have been a free kit. One of them was. And I picked up another one of these 69 Chargers. Sealed box. Cool little kit there. I've got one similar, I believe. I've got the Revell muscle one, so I think it's about the same. But I've heard this is one of the better Charger kits out there, so and at the price I got it for and then what they're going for, I made out on the deal. So the reveal video on the Dart will be coming soon. I don't have it assembled yet, but it's painted. We're just waiting on the paint to cure, and we will go. I'll be getting that done. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna clear coat it or just leave it like it is. I may throw a coat of clear on it. It's a little shiny, but it needs probably some clear coat. And the body work with all the mods I done to it with the roof, it don't look too bad. And I got some a way to hide some of it. I think we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. It may enhance it. Who knows? I think what else has been going on here. You see, my workspace is a little bit of a mess, but it's to be expected when you're not building a lot. Then when you do get a little few minutes here and there to build, you gotta do what you can. With that, happy modeling. We'll see you next time.